So moving ahead, the pitch diameter is coming out to be 126.69 mm. Now we will calculate velocity. V is equal to pi, D is 126.69 into N 1200 mm divided by, suppose I make it as 1000 to calculate in meter per minute. So this is coming out to be what? 477 point something meter per minute. Now, as you see, as per the range given, it should be in the range 150 to 450, which is crossing the limit. So we can write here that is greater than 450 meter per minute. So as the limit has been crossed, so we cannot use 25 number of teeth on the sprocket. This will not be permissible. Okay. So for chain number 50 with 23 teeth, power capacity is lesser than the design power. For 25 teeth, the condition is not, the velocity range condition is violated, so that is crossing the limit. So what we will do, we will try for another chain number which we have selected initially, that is chain number 40 with quadruple strand. Okay, so we need to again check for or do the calculations for chain number 40. Okay, so for chain number 40 with quadruple strand, just to note down the values. For chain number 40, what is the pitch that you can see from the figure? Small p pitch is equal to what? 12.7 mm. Okay. Therefore, pitch circle diameter dp for chain number 40, that is 12.7 divided by sine 180 divided by T1. So pitch is equal to 12.7 and number of teeth T1 is equal to 19 teeth we have selected for this. So this is 19, that is coming out to be 77.203 mm. And for this velocity V, pi dp np, so pi into 77.203 into 1200 divided by 60 into 1000, suppose we do, so that is coming out to be 4.84 meter per second, and V is equal to 4.84 into 60, that is equal to 290.90 meter per minute, which is lesser than 450 meter per minute. So this condition is valid. Then maximum permissible bore diameter and center distance. Obviously, as we are selected smaller chain number than initially it was chain number 50, now it is chain number 40. So pitch has been reduced, and maximum permissible bore diameter, which depends upon the pitch and number of teeth. So already we have selected smaller pitch, so permissible bore diameter we need to check here. So permissible bore diameter, suppose we check for chain number 40 from table number 14.3, maximum bore dia on smaller sprocket, D should be less than T, that is 19 minus 5 divided by 4 into pitch. Pitch is 12.7. 19 minus 5 into 12.7 upon what? 4. So it will come out to be equal to something, it will come 55 or something. So maximum permissible bore diameter is 55 mm, which is less than 48 mm. So condition is Okay, that means we can use this. And center distance, which only depends upon the pitch, obviously will be lesser than the 600 mm because the pitch is been reduced. So at this moment no need to check for center distance. Okay. Now we will calculate again power capacity for chain number 40. Okay. So capital P power capacity, that is pitch square 12.7 square in bracket V upon 104. V is 4.84. 4.84 upon 104 minus 4.84, that is V to the power 1.41 upon 526 in bracket 26 minus 25 cos what 180 divided by 19 bracket complete multiplied by Kc. We have selected quadruple stand for chain number 40. So Kc for quadruple stand you can see in the table, that is 3.3 multiplied by 3.3. Okay. So after calculating this complete, you will get the power capacity. So for chain number 40, capital P, you can calculate and check. Capital P is coming out to be something 12.25 kilowatt. Okay. For chain number 14, capital P power capacity is 12.25 kilowatt. Again, this is less than design power PD is equal to 14.4 kilowatt. Now what to do? Now what we can do, again here the difference is not that much. Again here we can try for higher number of teeth on the smaller sprocket. Okay. Suppose we increase number of teeth on the smaller sprocket, it may be possible that we will get the required value. So what we will do, instead of 19, we will select directly. Suppose you see the chart 14.1. So we will try for directly 25 teeth on the smaller sprocket. So I am writing here modifying number of teeth T1 is equal to 25. This we will modify. As we increase number of teeth, again the pitch circle diameter is going to change. So dP is equal to, it is coming out to be for 25 teeth 12.7 upon sine 180 divided by 25 it will come. So it is coming out to be 101.33. As dP changes, you can Vp is equal to, V is equal to pi dP NP divided by 60 into 1000 meter per second or meter per minute we will calculate. So V is coming out to be 381.82 meter per minute. So which is less than 450 meter per minute. So no problem with this. And V is equal to something 6.36 meter per second. It is coming. Okay. Now again we will calculate power capacity of this chain. Chain number 40, 25 teeth and quadruple stand. Again I am writing the equation of power capacity. Capital P is equal to 12.7 complete square in bracket V upon 104. V is 6.36. 104 minus V to the power 1.41, that is 6.36 to the power 1.41 divided by 526 in bracket 26 minus 25 cos 180 divided by number of teeth 25 into Kc is 3.3. Okay. So after calculating this, you can check the power capacity. It is coming out to be something 16.105 kilowatt. Okay. So for chain number 40, 25 teeth quadruple strand, power capacity P is 16.105 kilowatt, which is greater than design power PD, that is 14.4 kilowatt. Hence, this chain can be final. So So you can write here suggested chain number. Suggested chain is chain number 40, 25 teeth, quadruple strand. Okay. So now we are very closer to the design power. It may be possible that how many iterations we need to do to select the suitable chain number. That might be the question in your mind. So it is expected that at least if first chain number is not suitable, at least we should try for one more iteration without directly increasing the number of strands. Okay, with the same chain number. Okay. So after trying one iteration, again you can go for increasing number of strand for the initial chain number which we have selected. Okay. So this chain number we can suggest chain number 40, 25 teeth with quadruple strand. Then moving for step number 3 to calculate what length of chain. Okay. So that you can move ahead with that.